Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see question number 2A of December 2022 for 10 marks. It's a bank reconciliation statement. They have given the balance as per cash book. Before getting into that, you should understand one thing. In the cash book, if you write anything on the receipt side, if you're writing anything on this side, means you are increasing your balance. Okay, if you are not writing anything here, that has to be written. You have to write something, but you forgot to write, or you are not writing, means you are reducing, decreasing your balance. You understand this? Then the bank reconciliation is very, very easy. And if you are writing anything on the payment side, you are reducing your balance. If you are not writing anything, you are increasing your balance. Only these are the fundamentals you must understand. If you forget to write any payment, you are showing increased balance in your cash book. If you write anything which should not be written, or you write anything two times, means you are you are decreasing the balance to that extent. Suppose I have to write only 1000 as payment, but I am writing this payment to twice, means the second time what I am writing is extra. That reduces my balance. If you forget to write, or if you under cost, but total is less, then you are increasing your balance. In case of over cost, you are decreasing your balance. You understand this? If you are under cost, means you are not writing. You take it like that. You have forgot to take one item to add. So that means that you are increasing your balance. If you are over costing, if you are taking twice, the same thing. If you are writing something twice, or you are over costing, means you are decreasing your balance. Clear? If you forget to write, you are increasing the balance. If you are writing, you are decreasing the balance. The same thing goes here also. Suppose you are writing anything twice, you are increasing your balance. If you forget to write, you are decreasing your balance. If you are undercosting, you are decreasing your balance. If you are overcosting, you are increasing your balance. Simple fundamental. If you write anything, you are increasing. If you forget to write, you are decreasing. Clear? So now let us proceed with this question. So let me rub off this and then we will move on to, hope it is clear to all of you how the cash book you have to, because the cash book is written by the business. So you should always remember the target book also, where we are going and what he should have done. The bank passbook, what the accountant would have done, you have to do it the same thing, because you are going to reach the balance as per passbook. Okay. So now my cash book balance shows 2,60,400. Now what happened? In the cash book, a check issued for first one is, sorry, on 15th December, the payment side of cash book was overcost. I said that this side, if you are writing anything, means you are decreasing the balance. So now what happened? You have overcosted. Overcosted, you can take it as that you have written one more 10,000. So you have decreased the balance by 10,000. But this would have not done in case of bank book, because he would have totaled correct. Cost means totaling. You have totaled 10,000 more. So you take it as that you have written something 10,000 more. When you have written something, your balance has come down. But this is not the case in case of bank. There they have not added extra. So you have to add back this 10,000. We have reduced the balance, but in bank we have to add it. Okay, so this will go into the plus item, plus 10,000. Clear? So next item is a check of 1,18,000 issued, not taken in the bank column. Again, check issued. You have issued a check of 1,18,000, but you forgot to write here. If you are not writing anything, your balance will go up. You have increased as per your cash book the balance, but this check has gone to the bank. They would have reduced the balance, so you have to put it in the minus less column. Hope it's clear. Lakh 18,000. Check issued but not taken in the bank column. If you are writing anything, that will decrease your balance. If you are not writing, it will increase. You have forgotten to write this amount, so you have increased your balance, but in bank, the balance has not increased. So they have paid the check. Next one is on 20th December, the debit balance of 8460 on the previous day was brought forward as credit balance. See here. Here the balance was 8460 on this date. This was brought forward here. So the moment you write here, I said that you are decreasing the balance. You have decreased the balance. But what happened? This is wrong entry. For this, if you make a correction, you have to put 8460 on the receipt side to increase your balance. Okay, but this will only nullify the error. But you need one more 8460 here, so that your balance comes proper. So this would have happened in it. So you have to give a double effect to this. Okay, so you have to add back. Here you have reduced 8460. Instead of increasing, you have decreased 8460. So for that, nullifying that decrease, you have to increase 8460 one time. Then the result will be 0. No addition, no decrease. So you have to add one more time. So double time you have to add in your bank reconciliation, that is 16,920. Double of this is 16,920. You have to add it. Next one is of the total checks withdrawn, 12,370, 9,360 were encashed. We have written in our cash book 12,370, but only 9,360 were presented for payment. So bank have reduced only this much. The balance amount is not, it is decreased in our books, but it is not decreased in bank book. So there is an addition of 3010. The difference is 3010. Increase will be, the balance would have been increased by this in bank statement. Next one, dividend collected directly by bank. So it is not written here because we do not know. So we have decreased the balance by not writing the dividend, but bank would have increased the balance. So you add 35,000. Now the bank has paid 7,900. We have forgotten to write. When we have forgotten to write, we have increased the balance. But bank it would have reduced. So you have to minus 7,900. I hope it's clear to all of you. See here down. So we have added this 3,010 and 35,000, and we have reduced 7,900. Coming to the next one, a check issued to a creditor 1,75,000 was recorded twice in cash book. See here in the cash book, if you write anything on the payment side, you are reducing your balance. But what you have done, you have written one more time. So you have reduced to this extent extra. But it is not the case in bank statement. So you have to add back this 1,75,000 in your bank reconciliation. Okay, see here we have added 1,75,000. Next one is this bill is collected and credited by the bank. The bill is collected and credited by bank, but we do not know. So this is not recorded in cash book. So in our book, the balance is decreased, but in bank statement, they should have increased by because they have credited us with 53,000. So you have to increase the balance. See, 53,000. So the last item is a customer who has received a cash discount of 3%. So he has to make us payment 60,000, but we have allowed a discount of 3%. So 3% of 16,000 is 1,800. So he would have given a check to us for 60,000 minus 1,800, 58, 200, 59. Yes, 58, 200. But what the cashier has done, he erroneously entered 60,000 on this side. In this side, he has recorded 1,800 extra. So we have increased the balance. The bank would have not increased. So we have to decrease it. Hope it's clear. So after adding this, we are getting a balance of 4,25,630 balance as per bank statement. So if you got still any confusion, any clarity required, please feel free to contact me. You can give the message, you can give comments so that we will be able to clarify it to you. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe it and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching.